Hi everyone, on today's video I am going to show you how to separate the base of this Toshiba Satellite laptop. Once the base is removed, I will then show you how to upgrade the memory, and this will also give you access to the hard drive should you need to replace that at a later date. The exact model which I am working on will be shown in the details below. Before starting this computer upgrade, here are some tools that you will need. On the left hand side we have two small Phillips screwdrivers. Both of these tools easily fit the screws that are in the bottom of my computer. Moving further over to the right, these items are called spudgers, and their purpose is to assist in separating the parts of plastic computers that clip together. They're easily obtainable from Amazon and eBay. Description and links will be in the details below. In the absence of these items, a very thin bladed flat screwdriver may suffice. Also handy is a plastic dish to keep your screws safe. This was just the top of an ordinary jar, but you could use anything. Also advisable is a light coloured towel or tea towel. This serves the purpose that when the computer is turned upside down to remove the screws, it protects the computer case, and also when the computer is then turned right way up to shake the screws out of the base, the light colour of the towel will assist you seeing the screws and stop them bouncing on the floor. Okay, there are 12 screws securing the base of this Toshiba laptop. These two here secure the battery, so I'm going to remove those first. Just unscrew until it clicks. Clicking, so then we can turn it up the other way, and there's the two screws which we'll put safely in our little container. Now we'll ease the battery out. So now there are 10 further screws which I'll just go round in a clockwise direction. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Owing to the way that the base is designed, we do not have to remove the CD/DVD cassette on this one. So now we'll turn the computer up the other way to release the screws. And let's count, we need 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now using our friend the spudger, we will ease the base away from the main body of the computer. So using the thin edge of the spudger,
say again,
just ease it into one of the edges.
Okay.
And and just go around the case, and you may hear it click as it comes off. Fortunately on this one the cassette does not need to be removed. And just round the front and ease it through, and you may hear little clicks as it separates. Don't be too heavy-handed with it. There we go. Round we go. Round the side. And that looks to be it. And we gently ease the case off. And there we have it. Now that the base is off, we can see all the components. If at a later date you need to upgrade the hard drive, this is the hard drive, which is a fairly simple replacement. We are doing a memory upgrade today, and this is where the current memory is, and this is the spare slot. Now the eagle eyes amongst you may have seen that it's got 8 GB installed. This machine originally came with 4 GB. I replaced it with an 8 GB, and I temporarily used the original 4 GB in a different computer. So I'm now going to add the memory into the computer. Now you'll see that it's got a little offset which prevents you putting this in the wrong way, as it is not central. Here is the slot in which you insert the memory. There it is, the next bit, and that is the job done. Now if at any time you need to exchange the memory, it's a very simple job. These clips here, either side of the memory, all you do is you get your fingernail, you pull them, and up it clips, and then you remove it and put the new memory card in. But all we need to do is secure this one. Then we have 8 GB there, 4 GB there, giving us total 12. Now to put the screws back in and complete the task. Okay, now to replace the base, and we'll click it down, and as we screw it in you may hear a few little clicks as the case settles itself. So don't tighten the screws down fully, just gently to position the case. That's 2 screws. Now I've just tightened down these screws because the last 2 actually secure the battery. So I'm just going to go around these in order. That one's fine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Final thing, insert the battery. Now this computer hasn't got an internal CMOS battery, so when we restart it we'll have to reset the system time. Most computers do have a battery. I'm not sure if this is a cost-saving measure or not, but I'll have to reset the date and time of this one. That is the job complete. I'm now going to turn it the correct way up and just make sure that it seems to be all in place. Okay, the next thing is to turn it on and check that the memory has been identified. Okay, memory update successful. Computer switched on and it has all been identified correctly. This machine has got Ubuntu 18.04 system installed, and if you just type in settings in the search window, it will bring you up something which will tell you how much of the memory has been identified. If, as most people, you've got Windows 10 or something similar, in the bottom left hand corner just type system in the text window, and the first one that gets listed is usually system information. Just click on that, and then eventually the window will populate with details and you will see system summary. If you scroll down slightly, it will show you the installed RAM, and it will show you that 12GB has been identified in this computer. So, success! If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, comment below, and press the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you very much for watching.